Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, how are you? Today I'm going to be unboxing this month's BarkBox. I'm not gonna lie, I did peek in it because my dog ran out of treats, so I had to open it this morning, and yeah, so I already kind of know what's in it, but I still wanted to show you guys what came in it. So it says Podium Pups on the little thing on the inside. I'm assuming this theme was because the Olympics were supposed to happen this month in China, but so you open it up and you got your stuff in there, and it has like little different events, like a track that you can run on, and then it's like the different toys like in events. So the first thing that we got is this little gold medal toy, and it says I participated on the back. It's really cute. And then the other toy that we got, I think this is a raccoon. Let me read. Oh, it just says Reese Soko. I think it's supposed to be a raccoon. Rocco Socko. I can't read, obviously, but yeah, he is a raccoon. So this is what he looks like. He's super cute, but if you flip him, he turns into a soccer ball. So I think that's pretty cool. Once again, as I said in my last video, I can't show you guys me giving these to my dogs because I can't give them toys right now because Pepper just eats them, and then she got one lodged in her. So this is the stick for the month, and it's a salmon stick. And then these are the treats. I put the bag back in here once I gave my dog one. Kissy only gets these because we try not to give Pepper too much of this on her diet. This is just because she's a puppy and we don't want to upset her stomach. So this is chicken recipe dog treats. It says Team Bark on it. Pretty cute packaging. They're wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free, made in the USA. And this is from the same brand. It's just turkey recipe treats, and it's the same, you know, wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, grain-free, made in the USA. So then, as always, on the bottom they have the other toys that you could have got in, and oh, you can turn this into a box to have your dog sit in front of and wear the medal, and it says first prize. That's kind of cute. That's not kind of cute, that's really cute. But I think everyone got the gold medal because of that. And then there's Molly Volley. She must turn into a volleyball because she like has the big head. And then there's Tad Polo, so probably turns into a polo ball. Rocco Socko, Game On Whistle. And then there's a table tennis. It's a ball and a like paddle together. Pommel horsey. It's like one of those gymnastics things. Coach Acornopolis. Oh, he's a squirrel and he's a coach. And then basketball. So that one must turn into a basketball. Yeah. So that's what that's about. I want to see what it says here. So take a photo, share with hashtag BarkBoxDay, and let us know what your podium pup won the gold. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so yeah, that was this month's BarkBox. I just wanted to show you guys what comes in these boxes. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more unboxings, let me know in the comments down below, and as always, if you'd like to see more of me, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!